What's going on, everybody? So today we will be going over fake out. So I actually was able to catch a fake out position today in real time. So this is the top one futures Project X platform, and I usually, scroll in while I'm in positions, but let me scroll out a little bit just so everyone can see what I am looking at. So over the last day or so, we'll see that price has been on a very, very, very bullish run. But for some reason, over the last few days as well, price has been consolidating when it gets to New York. And then it breaks out and then it consolidates some more. But today, I woke up and I saw that price was having some very strong pushes down, right? But I saw that this candle rejected all these supports to the left. Okay. So price did not push through all these rejections to the next zone. I'm expecting that there should be some sort of a pullback. So let's go down to a lower time frame. Okay, cool. Once again, I see that this candle closed above this most recent support. And then I broke it down to the 15 minutes. So here is where we get to the fake out portion. So we see that this candle had a strong push down at 8:15. This 8:30 candle closed back above the most recent resistance, right? You see how this candle closed, didn't close below. The next candle closed above the most recent resistance. We then targeted this area, which on the 30-minute was a support that this could have rejected off of. I mean, remember, this candle did close strong bearish. So this could have easily been a wick up to continue down. So we knew that when we got to this point, we had to then manage risk, whether that be putting your stop loss at break even, whether that be taking partials, what have you. But let's go back to the 15-minute time frame. Price ended up closing above that support, wick back down. I was out up in this area, but it did wick back down to entry before finishing off the move. Why was this my final target? Once again, on the 30-minute time frame, a support that this candle can reject off of, which it did, and in turn came back down. But we were way out by that point. So first target was this area on the 30-minute. Second target was this area on the 30-minute. Price got right into that zone. That's a 1 to 2.21 risk to reward. Good trade. Done with your day by about 9 o'clock. So that, in layman's terms, is what a fake out is. You want to see a strong push down or up, a candle closing strong back in the range, indicating that after we get a wick down to create our stop loss, we think that on the break of the high that we should be targeting close to these highs once again. So once again, this is why we manage risk here and here. Anything happening after is not our business. Price did not close above that range. Therefore, by about 10 o'clock, it came on down to retest these lows. And that, in short, is what a fake out is. And once again, I want to give an example of this in an uptrend. So if these candles are coming up, you then have a candle that breaks this high right here, but does not close in a bullish manner, closes back in the range. We expect that if the next candle were to wick up to retest this broken area, after we enter on the break of this low, we are expecting price to come down and fill this zone here. So that is simply what a fake out is. You got candles pushing one direction. Once you get that turnaround, after you break this low, after getting this wick up, we are expecting this to retest this low area here.